Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today, we're discussing the 10-day sugar detox and why it's essential to understand the effects of sugar on our bodies. So, what exactly is the 10-day sugar detox program? It's a structured plan to help individuals curb sugar cravings and reset their bodies. By eliminating added sugars and focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, participants can experience increased energy levels, improved mental clarity, and better overall health. Why is it crucial to be aware of sugar's impact on health? Excessive sugar consumption has been linked to a myriad of health issues, including obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and even mental health disorders. By understanding how sugar affects our bodies, we can make more informed choices about what we eat and ultimately improve our well-being. Reducing sugar intake is not just about cutting calories. It's about taking control of our health and making choices that support our long-term wellness. So, join us on this journey to learn more about reducing sugar intake and how it can positively impact your life. The impact of sugar on your brain. Have you ever wondered how sugar affects your brain? Let's delve into the fascinating relationship between sugar consumption and brain health. Excessive sugar intake can have detrimental effects on cognitive function. Studies have shown that high sugar consumption is linked to impaired memory, reduced mental abilities, and increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Consuming too much sugar can lead to inflammation in the brain, disrupting communication between neurons and affecting overall brain function. Furthermore, sugar can also impact our mood and mental clarity. Have you ever experienced a sugar crash after indulging in a sugary treat? That sudden spike in blood sugar followed by a rapid drop can leave you feeling irritable, tired, and unable to concentrate. This roller coaster affects our mood and hampers our ability to think clearly and make sound decisions. By understanding how sugar influences brain health, we can make more mindful diet choices and prioritize foods that nourish our bodies and minds. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding sugar cravings. Have you ever reached for that sweet treat when stressed or tired? Let's uncover the reasons behind sugar cravings and how they can derail our health goals. Sugar cravings can stem from a combination of psychological and physiological factors. On a psychological level, sugary foods can trigger the brain's reward system, leading to feelings of pleasure and comfort. This can create a cycle of using sugar as a coping mechanism for stress or emotional distress. Physiologically, consuming sugar can cause fluctuations in blood sugar levels, leading to cravings for more sugar to maintain energy levels. Addressing both the psychological and physiological aspects of sugar cravings is essential to managing and overcoming them. Strategies such as practicing mindfulness, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and incorporating balanced meals rich in protein and fiber can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. The cycle of cravings can become a slippery slope, as indulging in sugary foods can lead to further cravings and overconsumption. By understanding the triggers behind sugar cravings and implementing healthy habits, we can break free from the cycle and progress toward our health goals. Best sugar substitutes. Are you seeking healthier alternatives to satisfy your sweet tooth? Let's explore some of the best sugar substitutes to help you cut back on refined sugar without sacrificing taste. Natural sweeteners like stevia, monk fruit, and erythritol are excellent options for reducing sugar intake. Stevia, derived from the leaves of the Stevia rhodiana plant, is a zero-calorie sweetener that can be up to 200 times sweeter than sugar. Monk fruit, also known as luohan guo, is another zero-calorie sweetener that offers a natural sweetness without the bitter aftertaste. Erythritol, a sugar alcohol, provides sweetness with fewer calories and minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Using sugar substitutes in moderation can offer several benefits, including better blood sugar control, reduced calorie intake, and improved dental health. However, it's essential to remember that even natural sweeteners should be consumed in moderation to maintain a balanced diet. Incorporating sugar alternatives into your daily meals can be simple and delicious. Try adding stevia to your morning coffee, using monk fruit in baking recipes, or sprinkling erythritol on top of fresh fruit for a guilt-free dessert. Experiment with different sweeteners to find the ones that best suit your taste preferences and health goals. When embarking on a sugar detox journey, it's crucial to be mindful of the fruits and foods that can sabotage your efforts to reduce sugar intake. Let's identify some culprits that can dangerously spike sugar levels and hinder your detox progress. High sugar fruits such as bananas, grapes, and mangoes should be consumed moderately during a sugar detox. While these fruits offer valuable nutrients, they also contain higher levels of natural sugars that can impact blood sugar levels. Processed foods are another sneaky source of hidden sugars that can derail your detox goals. Items like sugary cereals, flavored yogurts, and sauces often contain added sugars that contribute to excess sugar consumption without providing significant nutritional benefits. Consider swapping high-sugar fruits for lower-sugar options like berries, apples, and citrus to navigate your sugar detox. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods and read labels carefully to avoid hidden sugars in packaged products. By making mindful choices and selecting healthier alternatives, you can support your detox efforts and promote overall well-being. Understanding sugar addiction. Have you ever felt you can't resist that sugary treat, no matter how hard you try? Let's delve into the concept of sugar addiction and its profound impact on both physical and mental health. Sugar addiction is a term used to describe the compulsive craving and consumption of sugary foods, similar to the patterns seen in substance dependence. Like drugs or alcohol, sugar can trigger the brain's reward system, leading to cravings and a cycle of consumption that can be challenging to break. Withdrawal symptoms associated with sugar addiction can include irritability, fatigue, headaches, and intense cravings. These symptoms can make it difficult for individuals to reduce their sugar intake and can contribute to ongoing dependency on sugary foods. Beyond the physical effects, sugar addiction also has behavioral aspects, influencing our eating habits and relationship with food. The constant cycle of cravings and consumption can lead to feelings of guilt, shame, and loss of control, impacting overall well-being. By understanding the complexities of sugar addiction and its effects on both the body and mind, individuals can take steps to address their dependency, make healthier choices, and regain control over their relationship with sugar. How to quit sugar? Ready to break free from sugar addiction and kickstart your sugar detox journey? Let's explore practical tips and strategies to help you reduce sugar intake, embrace healthier alternatives, and cultivate mindfulness in managing your relationship with sugar. Step-by-step guidance is critical to successfully reducing sugar intake. Start by gradually reducing sugary foods and beverages and replacing them with whole, nutrient-dense options like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Setting small, achievable goals can make the transition more manageable and sustainable. Satisfy your sweet cravings with healthy alternatives like fresh berries, unsweetened yogurt, or homemade energy balls made with nuts and dates. Experiment with sugar-free recipes and natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit to create delicious treats without the added sugar. Mindfulness and self-awareness play a crucial role in managing sugar consumption. Pay attention to your body's hunger cues, emotional triggers, and cravings, and practice mindful eating to savor and appreciate your food choices. The sugar addiction cycle. Let's delve into the repetitive nature of sugar addiction and how it perpetuates unhealthy habits, creating a cycle of cravings, consumption, guilt, and repeat behavior. The cycle typically begins with cravings triggered by various factors, such as stress, emotions, or environmental cues. These cravings lead to the consumption of sugary foods, which provide temporary pleasure and relief. However, this temporary satisfaction is often followed by guilt, regret, and a desire to break free from the cycle. Psychological triggers play a significant role in reinforcing the addiction cycle. Emotional eating, reward-seeking behavior, and habit formation can all contribute to the repetitive nature of sugar addiction. The brain's reward system is activated by sugar, creating a reinforcing loop that can be challenging to break. Breaking the cycle of sugar addiction requires conscious choices and intentional actions. Individuals can disrupt the cycle by identifying triggers, practicing mindfulness, developing healthier coping mechanisms, and making positive changes towards reducing sugar intake. Consequences of sugar addiction. Let's delve into the far-reaching effects of sugar addiction on our physical, emotional, and mental well-being, shedding light on the detrimental consequences of being hooked on sugar. Sugar addiction can have a significant impact on weight gain and metabolic health. Excessive sugar consumption can lead to an increase in body fat, insulin resistance, and a higher risk of developing conditions like obesity and type 2 diabetes. The empty calories from sugary foods can also contribute to nutrient deficiencies and poor metabolic function. In addition to its physical effects, sugar dependency can wreak havoc on our emotional and mental health. Fluctuations in blood sugar levels can lead to mood swings, irritability, and fatigue, affecting overall well-being. Sugar crashes can disrupt energy levels and sleep patterns, leading to feelings of lethargy and poor quality of rest. Long-term risks of chronic sugar consumption include a higher likelihood of developing cardiovascular disease, fatty liver disease, and cognitive decline. By understanding the multifaceted consequences of sugar addiction, individuals can make informed choices to reduce their sugar intake and prioritize their health and longevity. Overcoming sugar addiction. Embarking on the journey to overcome sugar addiction requires dedication, patience, and a commitment to self-care. Let's explore insights on the timeline and strategies for breaking free from sugar addiction and cultivating a balanced lifestyle. The timeline for overcoming sugar addiction can vary from person to person. Still, it typically takes around 21 to 66 days to form new habits and break free from the cycle of sugar dependency. During this time, it's essential to stay focused on your goals, be consistent in your efforts, and practice self-compassion as you navigate the challenges of withdrawal and cravings. Support resources such as counseling, support groups, or online programs can provide valuable guidance and encouragement on your journey to overcoming sugar addiction. Seeking professional help and connecting with others with similar experiences can offer a sense of community and accountability. Patience, perseverance, and self-care are vital components of the recovery process. Celebrate small victories, practice mindfulness, prioritize nutritious foods, and engage in activities that nourish your body and mind. By approaching the process with kindness and resilience, you can successfully overcome sugar addiction and create a sustainable, balanced lifestyle that supports your overall well-being. Throughout the 10-day sugar detox program, we've highlighted the importance of understanding the impact of sugar on our bodies, the cycle of sugar addiction, and practical strategies for reducing sugar intake. By embracing healthier alternatives, practicing mindfulness, and seeking support, you can break free from sugar dependency and prioritize your well-being. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results. Start by making conscious choices to reduce sugar intake, incorporate nutrient-dense foods, and listen to your body's cues. We invite you to join us on this journey towards better health. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights and tips on wellness. Let's empower ourselves to make positive changes and thrive in a sugar-conscious lifestyle together.